Welcome to Evolution version 4 video series, Appointment Navigation Pane. We have made a number of changes to the Appointment Navigation Pane within Evolution based on user feedback. These changes are designed to enhance your use of the existing features of the Appointment Navigation Pane, as well as provide new functions to assist in your workflow. Calendar display. We've made a number of changes to the calendar display in the Appointment Navigation Pane. We can now have the Today button. No matter which day you've selected within the calendar and the Appointment Navigation Pane, the Today value will always display today's date. Whenever you hover and click on today's date, you'll automatically be returned to today within the calendar. Select a different day, and by highlighting and clicking on Today, you'll be returned to today. The calendar icon. Highlight any day in the calendar in the Appointment Navigation Pane and click on the Appointment Book icon to open the relevant day's appointment book for the provider selected in the navigation pane. Use the new month and year drop-down list to quickly navigate to a specific month and year combination to display the relevant calendar. Month and year. Jump one month and jump one year. Use the new jump actions to move the current calendar forward 1 month or year or backwards 1 month or year. Forwards 1 month, forwards 1 year. Backwards 1 month, backwards 1 year. And back to today. Select a specific provider in the appointment list. You will notice we've now included a provider drop-down in the Appointment Navigation Pane. You'll be able to select a specific provider from the drop-down list and view the details of the provider's patient appointments. The selected provider will be retained when logging out and back into Evolution again. This new provider drop-down will default to the logged-in user if their role type is selected as a service provider and if they have an appointment book option selected in their staff setup. If the logged-in user's role type is not selected as a service provider and/or the appointment book option is not selected in their staff setup, then the provider drop-down in the Appointment Navigation Pane will display blank. This feature will be particularly useful when users are sharing a specific appointment book, i.e. a nurse are sharing a triage appointment book and want to see the details of patient appointments in the navigation pane. Note, if the logged-in user has a provider filtering for multiple locations enabled, the location drop-down selection list will also display to assist in the filtering of the provider drop-down list. Appointment information hover. When hovering over a patient appointment displayed in the pending or completed tabs of the Appointment Navigation Pane, a new appointment information hover will be displayed. The new appointment information hover will display all relevant details for the patient appointment, so you can minimize the need to open the appointment book or view the appointment screen for the patient appointment. Hovering over the patient appointment in the Appointment Navigation Pane will now display the following details: appointment date and time, patient's name, appointment provider, appointment procedure if selected, appointment location, SMS reply, appointment wait time, and appointment note. The coloured border around the information hover will be set based on the appointment type if one is associated to the patient appointment. The appointment information hover heading will also be displayed and the details of the associated appointment type. If there is no appointment type associated to the patient appointment, the appointment information hover, heading and border will indicate either a single appointment or a double appointment.